How to create a side navigation menu on Wix. So click on this plus option right here in order to add an element, and then from in there just look for the menu and anchor option. For this one, just choose the horizontal menus and then click on it. Now from in there you should be able to see some horizontal menus, but if you want to also go choose vertical menus. So these vertical menus will serve as a side navigation menu. So for this one, you can just choose which one you want added. For example, I'll just add this one and attach it onto the side. Now, once it's been attached, you can right click on it and then click on the settings. Now in here, you can just access its advanced settings in order to show its advanced menu. And then you can see all of these things, which is our menu that is the same as the ones we have on our header. So you can click on this gear icon right here, and then you can reset it. You can put in here the design, and you can also manage the menu that they have right here. So that's how you create the side navigation menu on Wix. Hope we helped.